What's up, YouTube? I'm Nick Householder. August 30th through September 3rd, Labor Day weekend, I'm going to be in Atlanta, Georgia at DragonCon. I'm going to be doing a talk, some hands-on science demonstrations, as well as a live performance during the Solve for X variety show. As part of that performance, I wanted to make a toilet paper cannon. A toilet paper cannon is basically a leaf blower and something to hold toilet paper on the end to spray it everywhere. I did this for The Tonight Show about a year ago, but I made it huge. I wanted to do something that was smaller, more portable, and a little more lightweight. In the past, I've used a 2x4 to hold the paint roller on a leaf blower. This is kind of heavy and it's a little bit cumbersome, so I felt the best course of action was to 3D print it. I designed the parts in Fusion 360, exported them to Cura, and then printed them out on my Lulzbot Taz 5. The mount consists of 3 parts: a clamp for the paint roller, a clamp for the blower nozzle, and a piece in the middle to mount them together. And it's all held together with just a series of nuts and bolts. The nuts are held captive in a little slot that keeps the nut from rotating, and then all you have to do is tighten the bolt, and that holds everything together. 3D printing is wonderful for rapid prototyping like this. I was able to crank out a design and iterate on it in a matter of days in order to design a product that now works perfectly for the use that I need it for. All of this wouldn't have been possible without the help of the Midnight Science Club. They're an organization that creates science educational media for everybody. There are 2 key aerodynamic principles at play here, one of which you might remember from the hovering balls video I did recently, and that's Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle states that fast-moving air has lower pressure than slower-moving air, or in our case, the still air around us. So that means that the pressure of the air flowing over the top of the toilet paper is lower than the surrounding air pressure. This lower pressure produces lift on the toilet paper. It's the same process that makes an airplane fly. You can try this at home if you just blow over the top of a roll of toilet paper. You can see how the paper lifts up when you blow over the top of it. The second aerodynamic principle at play is skin friction drag. This is the drag experienced by an object that has air flowing over it because of the friction of the air molecules as they slide over the top of the surface. What this does is it creates a pulling force on the toilet paper. So that toilet paper that would just be flying, instead is getting pulled by the drag. Alright, if you like that, click here to check out some of my other videos. If you want to see more in the future, you gotta subscribe. If you want to see the toilet paper cannons I built for The Tonight Show, you can check them out right here. And if you want to see me soon, come to DragonCon.